Do you often feel distracted when studying or working? Today, I'll introduce to you the LLANO TK3, also known as Ticktime TK3, a multifunctional timer cube that can help you manage time more effectively. It's a compact device with a cube design, a large LED screen showing the time, date, and active mode. It integrates 4 main functions: Pomodoro, countdown, stopwatch, and alarm. In Pomodoro mode, you get 25 minutes of work and 5 minutes of rest, repeated in cycles to maintain focus. If you want it faster, just flip the cube to select preset countdowns of 5, 10, 30, or 60 minutes. Or set a custom time from a few seconds up to 99 minutes. You can also use it as a stopwatch, or set up to 3 alarms during the day. What I like the most is how intuitive it is. Just flip and it starts. No need to press complicated buttons. The LED display is clear. The 1,400 mAh rechargeable battery lasts up to about 10 days, and you have multiple alert modes: sound, vibration, or silent. Perfect for study rooms, offices, or libraries. However, there are a few limitations. The alarm sound may be too quiet in noisy environments. The LED screen can feel a bit too bright at night. And Pomodoro cycles are less customizable compared to some phone apps. Of course, it doesn't sync or provide long-term analytics, but the upside is you won't get distracted by your phone. Compared to cheaper cube timers, the TK3 offers more functions, better design, and stronger battery life. Against Pomodoro apps, it's more intuitive, but it lacks detailed tracking features. In conclusion, I'd rate the LLANO TK3 around 8 out of 10 because it does very well as a standalone timer. Easy to use, compact, and versatile. If you want to stay focused while studying or working without relying on your phone, this is definitely worth considering. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know if you want me to compare the TK3 with other timer cubes. Thanks for watching.